All right, it's Friday and it's time for the PPR Alarm Clock Pep Rally.
Allie Wagner is live at Point Loma High School where they're ready to show their school spirit. Good morning, Allie.
Yes, good morning, you guys. They are all pumped up here at Point Loma High School. Thank you to Mission Federal Credit Union and the Alarm Clock Pep Rally. Let's bring out the football team. All right, you guys got a big game tonight against Lincoln. What do you have to do to get the win?
I know they had a good week. We just got to come out there, play like we usually play, EMAT football.
All right, obviously you guys need the win, a big one for league. So you guys fired up?
Yes, we are. We hype, guys?
All right, I've handed you the helmet. You've got the sticker. You know what to do. Put the sticker on the helmet. My gosh, we've got Brandon Stone up bright and early this morning, and I have a feeling he has a message he needs to give you.
First off, it's lovely to be here with you, Miss Allie. I love being here with you, Miss Al. I was feeling inspired this morning. I was feeling thankful this morning. Do you know why I was feeling thankful? Pointers, do you know why I was feeling thankful this morning? The sun shined. The birds sang. The pointers pointed once again. So that means I want every pointer in this building to put their finger in the air. Point it towards that sky. And let a certain team know this evening that they will be green with envy tonight when they see the Fighting Pointers walk out, bark out, play out, and win out. How y'all feel about that?
Oh man, Brandon Stone getting everybody fired up this morning. All right, I see a rope here. I'm guessing we got a little tug of war going on. Let's get our players up here. Who do we got playing today?
We have 10 students from our student body who volunteered to do tug of war, and then we have 10 of our football players playing against them.
Okay.
Al.
10 football players. And Brandon?
Al, what side should I choose to be on, Al?
I'm going to choose this one. How about you go over here, Brandon?
I want to go on this side because, hey, Kev, Coffin, come here.
Okay, top in the middle.
Kevin, I want to go on this side because you see that wonderful girl there in the pink jacket right there? That's my field producer for KOSI, right? That's my field producer for the PPR. I want to give Kylie some love, so I'm going to go support her.
Okay, you go on that side. I'll go on this side. Are you guys ready? Everybody ready? Give them some love, guys. On your marks. Get set. Go. student body fired up like you do. What do you have to tell these Pointers this morning?
Hey, I'm super stoked, man. We can't wait for tonight. We need that same energy we play the Hive tonight. Let's bring it!
Cheerleaders, we need your help. What do you think is going to get this crowd hyped up this morning? All right, can you do a cheer for me? Let's get a chant going. Let's pump this crowd up. Ready? Hey, fans in the stands, give us a yell so we can tell the youth God spirit. So let them hear it. When we say point, you say Loma point. Loma point. When we say groom, you say gold groom. Gold groom. When we say number, you say one. Number. One. Number. One. We are number one. We are the Pointers too. A little bit louder, three. We still can't hear you. We are number one. All right. Can you guys get loud for me? Because I think it's time to raise the noise meter. Let's raise the roof in here, Pointers. All right, Brandon Stone. Come on, guys. 130.1 on the noise meter. Thank you, Point Loma High School. All right, let's hear the alma mater, you guys. We're going to sign it